Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how I made this beautiful juice that can be used to achieve a beautiful clear glowing skin and also very excellent for weight loss. I'm also going to drop the link to the juicer used in this particular video because I find it very amazing. I've used different juicers in the past, but this one just swept me off my feet. So here are all the ingredients I'm going to use. You can see oranges, 3 green apples, 1 lemon, 1 large cucumber. I'm also going to use ginger and also turmeric. So just make sure you go ahead to wash all your ingredients and then prepare them for the juicer. Like I said before, this juicer I find it very good. One thing is also because it's a slow juicer, so I find the taste better than with the other juicers I've used. One key advantage of slow juicing is the ability to extract a consistent quality and quantity of juice. Okay, so it's not the same when you are using a juicer that it's not a slow juicer. I don't know if you get it, but like this is something you need to try. Guys, I'm not going to go through benefits of all the ingredients used here. We all know that ginger is very good for weight loss, which is the one I'm using right now, and also then followed by turmeric. We know that turmeric is very good for weight loss and also helps enhance your color when you take turmeric tea, and also use turmeric for face mask or different things. So once you are using lots of turmeric in your system, like getting lots of turmeric in your system, of course your skin will start glowing little by little from the inside. But the amazing thing is that we are also adding oranges, which are citrus. We are adding oranges, we're adding lemons, which also has enough vitamin C to help refresh and replenish our skin tissues. Oh my god. And then we have green apples, which we know are also very good for the skin and also help with weight loss. A lot of people might say, oh, you're throwing away the fiber, but nobody can finish this amount of fruits and like this quantity of fruits in a day. Okay, like I don't know whether anybody can finish it, but I can. And juicing makes it easier for you to get all these vitamins down into your system and get yourself going. If you have never ever tried juicing before, you need to try juicing, like become more consistent juicing, because it's going to help you a great deal. Like if you try this particular recipe, you will find out that at the end of 2 weeks, or even for some people 1 week or so, they've already started noticing lots of changes in their bodies and also on their skin. So you're going to have a glowing skin for sure. This is something you need to try, and you will notice that you're losing weight around your belly area, which is most important for us ladies. So you start losing weight around your belly area because it's burning fat around there. Remember, there is turmeric and there is ginger, and these two help to also keep you satiated, especially when you take the juice 30 minutes before each meal. Like seriously, 30 minutes before each meal, and fully first thing in the morning. Take 1 glass in the morning and 1 glass each 30 minutes before each meal to achieve weight loss. Don't worry about clearing your skin, because as long as you're taking it, no matter how you're taking it, it's going to clear your skin from the inside. And if you're someone who is like worried, because of the fiber, you're losing the fiber and all that, you could save your fiber, you could freeze it, or you could dry it out and use it, blend it as a powder, or use it as a powder in your different meals, your different healthy meals, of course, and also throw them in your smoothies or protein shakes. Like right now, I just decided to add few tangerines because of course I have them at home. So guys, if you do not have a juicer and you're not thinking of getting one, of course use your blender. Okay, just throw in all the fruits that you want to use and then add enough water to blend. Afterwards, add more water, to allow you to sieve it and get the quantity of juice that you require. The only difference is that, as you can see with this one, I didn't add any single water. This is all water from the fruits. I didn't add any water. Okay, and let me say this guys before I forget, anytime you are using turmeric, whether in food, whether in your smoothies, whether anywhere, anyhow you're using turmeric, make sure that you add black pepper. Guys, an ingredient in black pepper goes ahead to activate turmeric. So if you do not add black pepper, let's just say you are just using turmeric for the color and you've not activated the main active ingredient in turmeric, especially if you are eating it. If you are putting it on your face as a mask or anything, you don't need black pepper. But once it's going into your mouth, please go ahead, add some black pepper, and everything will be activated. So that's exactly what I'm doing here. So after I made my own juice, I didn't want to give it to my kids because of course it's a little bit spicy. Remember, I added black pepper and then there's also lots of ginger, so I didn't want the kids to waste it, and then I decided to make their own juice for them. So this is for my kids and they really enjoyed it. What I did also for them to get their greens for the day is that I added a handful of spinach, which you're going to see in the video. If you have watched up to this point, now it's time for you to click on that subscribe button, that red subscribe button. Please click on it, subscribe to this channel. Do not forget also to hit on the bell icon, which is the notification bell, so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. And the third thing I want from you, please, is to share with just one person. Click on that share button and share with just one person. Let another eye see this video, let the next person know about this video. So you could be helping someone by just sharing the video. And also remember that these juices are very healing, so you don't know what people are going through. They may want to check out something that will motivate them to get on a healthy lifestyle. I thank you very much for watching it. Thank you for sharing, thank you for subscribing, and I'll see you in my next video. Keep watching.
Anyway, stop eating the apple then.
The apple.
Makachew.
And you put it in this bowl.
No, you can't sit down on the table.
It's
So full.
Oh, it's so good.
Where's the hold on.
Sehr lecker.
Einmal wollte ich Mika was sagen, habe ich auch vergessen, was ich sagen wollte. Ich habe gesagt, hey, man kann nicht weniger als eine Sache nicht vergessen. Und als Mama,
Mika, hörst du?
nein, das war der Unterricht. Und dann einmal, als er was im Unterricht sagen wollte und er drangenommen wurde, hat er gesagt, ich habe vergessen, ich habe es vergessen.